Satin stitch is a series of short straight stitches that are worked side by side to cover an area. You just work from front to back close to each of the other stitches like this, and this will form features, facial features on animals or dolls or toys, and you just simply work stitches together so that they cover the area that you need with the yarn that you're using. If you work satin stitch by coming out of and going down into the same two stitches each time, you get a series of stitches that lie beside each other yet tend to curve slightly like this. And you can cover an area for a curved facial feature by using this method of coming in and out of the same stitch instead of having straight stitches side by side. It adds a thicker, more curved looking aspect. So you go down in one stitch and come up in the other until you have the area covered like that.